Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm all about let's prove what's on YouTube and wherever else we see on social media. So this guy made Coca-Cola. So I'm gonna try it out myself. We got the coconut sugar, a nice clean pan. So we need a cup of coconut sugar. And he said have the light on medium low. So we've been letting that heat up. And then you'll need a half a cup of water. I got my half a cup of water. You need some lemon peels and lime peels, some bitters, nutmeg, coriander seeds, but I only got coriander, ground coriander, and cinnamon sticks. So he said, and I'll put the link down below. Oh, this is coming together fast. He said it could, until it gets clumpy. Alright, so we're going to keep stirring this. So my suggestion is to heat your pan up. You know, preheat your pan. Preheat your pan. If that's anything. Alright, so this is getting nice and clumpy. We're going to add our water. And it's sugar, so you know, it's going to get sticky. You just got to keep stirring until it all melts. So we'll get all this in here. And as that's melting, they put 3 cinnamon sticks in here. And some more cinnamon sticks. He had a dash of nutmeg. Alright. And coriander, they had seeds. So I don't know how much that would be. I guess it would be like a teaspoon, maybe a half a teaspoon. I'll have to search that up and see how much. So we're just going to put, we'll put a teaspoon in there. We'll see how it comes out. And a lemon. And our lemon and lime peels. And he said let this stir for 5 to 10 minutes till it starts to get thick. Alrighty. So then he has, also they use bitters. There's Angostura aromatic bitters. So you need that. And you need some vanilla. So we're going to time this. That says 235. So we're going to keep stirring. And everything that's stuck to the bottom of the pan is pretty much melted. I wonder. It's starting to smell really good. It makes me think of Christmas. Warm Coca-Cola. And I'll need to get a mug. And we also need seltzer water. put, after this was done, he put his in a mason jar to let it cool. I don't know. Because that's sugar, and once sugar starts to like harden, it was, starts to settle, it's going to harden. Let me get some ice. This in my cup. Alright, let's stir again. It's been about 2 minutes. So I want to be ready for when this comes together. Smells really good. Alright, get another mug. I'm just trying to figure out a mug that's like ceramic. There we go. That way we can pour that into here. And that way, then we pour it into our mug. And, your salsa carbonated water is what you need. Because if I found a way to make homemade Coca-Cola, or any home, I know you can make ginger ale from ginger bug. And then I saw a guy make Sprite, like lemon lime soda. I did that on Friday Night Live. That's really good. Oh, that's just so. I just don't have agave for that, the lemon lime, so I just used my stevia. That was so good. So I'm curious how this is going to turn out. Either way, I still just drink it. It's starting to thicken up. He said it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to thicken up. So yeah, see, it's starting to, as you pull it away from the pan, it's starting to thick. There we go. That's what you want to see. Of course, try to get from the sides down in there too. We'll give a few more minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I don't think it's quite as thick. I can't remember if he had the bitters in or afterwards. So I'll just add a little bit, add a drop and slow in there. I know you add the vanilla afterwards. It's starting to smell really good. Alright, we'll go about 7 minutes. I guess depends on how thick you want it. Get it all to come together. One more minute. A little bit more bitters. Whoops. I had everything written down off if I didn't remember. I didn't write how much bitters he put in there. I think he just put a shake. So. Alrighty. And he added the vanilla after he poured in here, but I think I might add my vanilla while it's in here. So the vanilla extract, you really didn't. I think he said like a half a teaspoon or so. Because I think that both of those are like dashes or so, you know, just whatever you pour in there. Alright, so let's pour it in. Let's strain it out. Get all of it as we can. Put that over there. Alrighty. That smells really good. Alright, we got a cup. And like I said, I think he let his cool down, but I don't know, because I know how sugars go. And they sit too long. They're all sticky. See, that's already starting to look at both. And we'll give this a nice stir. Bottom. We'll make sure all of this is stirred up. And step like in the spoon. Using a knife instead. Alright. Y'all ready for the taste test? Here we go. That's a nice flavor. It tastes more like root beer than it does Coca-Cola. That's kind of like, this more like a Diet Coke on this one. So maybe too much, maybe just split it in half. And it's more like Diet Coke over here. This one's more like root beer. Tastes pretty good. So, yeah. There you go. Gotta test it out. I'll keep trying. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time in the video.